Jacob, hey, you finished your homework?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we go to GameStop now?
No, I'm sorry.
Why not?
Because I don't have money, and all you're gonna do there is just sit there. And when I tell you to get out of GameStop, you don't leave.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's not true.
Yes. It's
No,
true.
it's not.
Jacob, don't
Stop
start.
being a loser. No.
Jacob, don't have your tantrums. Don't have your tantrums. Don't have your tantrums. Jacob, I don't like when you have tantrums.
My freaking pen. I can't find it.
Jacob, calm down.
My pen.
Jacob. Jacob, do I need to smack you in the head? You better listen to your mom.
You're not my mother.
Hey, we'll have to call juvenile. Let go. Let go. Don't. I hate. You're not supposed to. I told you. You promised me that you wouldn't have these tantrums.
Who cares? I want to go to GameStop.
Jacob. Jacob.
Let me go to GameStop now.
Jacob, no.
Just screaming.
Jacob!
No, and then you're like, Jacob.
Jacob! No! Jacob!
No. And then you're just like, no, Jacob, stop.
Jacob, stop!